Hey guys! So in this video I'll show you how to enable ambient mode on YouTube. So after enabling the ambient mode, you can enjoy your YouTube videos by a calming background. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. First of all, you have to open up your YouTube mobile application. After that, you have to click on your profile picture at the top right corner. Then you have to go to settings. In the settings, you have to go to general. Here you have to click on appearance, and now you have to select the dark theme, because in order to enable the ambient mode, you have to enable dark theme. After that, you have to go back, and now you have to search for widescreen video. Now to enable the ambient mode, what you have to do is that you have to click on the setting icon at the top right corner of the video, and after that you have to click on ambient mode. And as you guys, by clicking, in order to enable the ambient mode, you simply have to click on the gear icon at the top right corner of the screen. Then you have to click on the ambient mode, and as you guys can see that ambient mode is on, and the color of the background glows, and it is similar to the color of the video. Okay, so guys, this was the easiest and quick way to turn on ambient mode on YouTube. Hope you guys like this video. If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching.